CINEC Campus Faculty of Health Sciences holds the distinction of being one of the first faculties of health sciences in Sri Lanka's non-state higher education sector.
Welcome to Faculty of Health Sciences.
Guided by a mission to become the center of excellence in health education by delivering academic leadership at every level, faculty is structured across 5 departments: Biomedical Sciences, Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, Cosmetic Sciences, Postgraduate Studies, and Nursing, offering a wide range of programs from foundation courses and diplomas to undergraduate and postgraduate qualifications, providing a clear pathway for aspiring health sciences professionals.
Faculty of Health Sciences in CINEC campus is a center of excellence for training students in healthcare area. And we make sure that our students get the expected knowledge, skills, and the professional competencies which are really necessary for the local and global healthcare industry.
Our specialty is our commitment to providing hands-on learning in a standard, well-equipped laboratory environment under the supervision of locally and internationally recognized academic staff.
As a student studying at CINEC campus under the Faculty of Health Science, our knowledge is not only limited to the theories. We also get the opportunity to get hands-on experience with frequent practical sessions. And these practical sessions are not only limited to in-laboratories. We get the opportunity to get industrial training through frequent industrial trainings organized by the faculty.
From the research labs to the study spaces, everything here is designed to help you actually grow, not just get through your degree.
As the Faculty of Health Sciences CINEC campus, we ensure a supportive and friendly learning environment through our strong student community and active campus life. Students are given meaningful opportunities to engage in extracurricular activities, allowing their growth both professionally and personally through their time at the faculty. At the end of the academic journey, we bestow upon our students the highest honor, a graduation that crowns every moment of dedication, commitment, and sacrifice they have given along the way. They came as students, but they live as the future of healthcare.